My name is Benjamin Poole, and when I was 23, I gave my life savings to a broker who lost it all. But this taught me an invaluable lesson. I needed to educate myself to make my own financial decisions. Fast forward 20 years, I am no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and I want to share everything I've learned with you. Welcome to Financially Fit. Welcome to Financially Fit. My name is Benjamin Poole, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about two charts. So the first chart I'm going to talk to you guys about is Microsoft. So I went over the Microsoft chart a couple weeks ago, it actually might have been last week, about parallel channels. So I wanted to kind of go over that and let you know what I do when a stock or a chart isn't quite going exactly as planned and how to navigate that. And then I'm going to actually give you levels of where I'm looking for a pullback in Microsoft. And then I know we've been super bearish lately. I'm going to show you a chart on SE, which I think is very bullish coming forward into the new year. Okay, so head over to the charts. First thing I'm going to take a look at, or we're going to take a look at, is Microsoft. So here's the parallel channel that I had. You had this pivot high connecting through all these pivots, and then connected through this pivot. So this was the hit. I think I gave you the level right around 370. Right now it's at 377, so it's a little bit higher. Like I said the last time, when a level is hit, it can actually pierce that level. So I'm not super concerned about it. Here's a pivot top. Here's a new all-time high, and then here's right here would have been the third hit of the Microsoft chart. So again, it's through that as well. I still expect to pull back, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this chart, and let me show you. So here we have this level right here of 366.63. So this will be the next support level. So when we finally get a pullback, as you can see right here in the Microsoft chart, let me go ahead and erase these. In the Microsoft chart right now, as of today, we are doing what's called a reversal engulfing candle. So that bodes well for this being more of a top than an extended move. Okay, so the pullback level I have, the first level of support, you're going to get to 366.63. If it can get through that, because that's the recent high, then you're going to get down to 349.72. So that level, let me go ahead and zoom out on my chart, and I'll show you where I get this level. Give me one sec. I'm going to erase this. So reset my chart. So right in this area, you have this pivot top, and it connects all the way through here. So that means you're going to have a lot of support in that area on Microsoft. Okay, and so my last level is 372.61. So that is the bottom end of the parallel channel. And look at all this support right in here. Okay, so as you can see, it's pierced this level of support a couple times on the way up and then on the way down. And so back on the way down, you're going to see that as significant support. Okay, so those are my three targets on the Microsoft chart. Once we're hit those targets, we're going to go ahead and reassess them and see how the Microsoft chart is playing out, and then we'll go forward from there. All right, so now I'm going to go over to the SE chart. So here's the chart on SE. Okay, there's a lot of stocks out there that are going higher, but there's also a lot of stocks that are going lower. So here's the chart on SE. One second, let me go ahead and move this cursor. All right, so you can see from 2019 area, this got down to $29.52. So if it gets down to this level, you're going to see a huge bounce, because you don't see stocks like SE going down from $380 all the way to $29. I mean, that's a substantial move. Right now, it's creating an inside bar pattern right here, which that means is that these bars are inside of this bar. So my first target, if it doesn't get down to the 29.52 level, will be 65.60. If it does get in that level, if it does hit that, I actually expect a rollover. So that's the cool thing about being a swing trader is we look for small moves in the markets, get 10, 15%. In this case, you're looking at 30, 40% move, and then take profits, and then you let the charts decide, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Financially Fit. Please watch Trading the Close around 3:55, and we will see you next time on Financially Fit.